We're gonna do a fire alarm tour of the Best Western Plus. We have Genex Commander 3s on the first floor. There's the exit sign, sprinklers. We have that. We have a Genex Commander 3 and a Honeywell thermostat. I'm just pointing out the thermostat is not part of the fire alarm tour. We have Advantage fire extinguishers, a Silent Night smoke detector, and a Silent Night pole station. And another Silent Night pole station in the fire main thing. Emergency lights. Genex Commander 3 and a Silent Night fire alarm. Silent Night smoke detector. Genex Commander 3. Exit sign with lights. Another Genex Commander 3 and a Silent Night pole station. And another Genex Commander 3. Wall mounted sprinklers are cool. And no pole stations in here. Genex Commander 3 and a Silent Night pole station. No roof access. We're going on to floor 3 now. Silent Night pole station. Alright. We have Genex Commander 3s. I don't know what they're set on, and a Silent Night smoke detector. We need more pole stations here. Ooh, what's that we have up ahead? We have an Edwards Integrity and a Dover elevator. A no, that's a sprinkler. Oops. And Genex Commander 3s with the light set next to them. And Genex Commander 3. The camera looking right at me. And we are done.